So we're gonna do a quick tutorial on scanning gaps. This is for ThinkorSwim. So what you want to do is you want to log in. Once you're logged in, you want to come up here to where it says scan. Let me take my previous work. Well, it's not previous. This is for my. I was trying to do a video, but this is my fourth time coming in here and trying to do this video for y'all. Anyways, you want to come up here where it says scan. You want to scan that. Then you want to come to add filters. Now, if you don't add filters, then you're not gonna get nowhere. So you want to add filters. You want to add a stock. You could mess around with all these, but I'm just gonna show you how to scan for gaps. So we're gonna go to stocks. Put a minimum of say 50 cents. Uh, now I'm just we want to go between 50 cents and say $2.50. So we want to look anything between 50 cents and $2.50. That's what we want to look at. So we want to hit scan. Now before you hit scan, go ahead and click on show right here. And if yours is set on 10, set it to 1,000 or 2,000. I recommend setting it to 2,000, but that will slow down just a bit your computer, but nothing really major. Um, just press it and just deal with it. Trust me. You want to hit scan, and then you have requested a very large number of symbols. It may consume a lot of memory and network traffic and degrade performance of your application. Do you want to continue? Yes, because we want all the stocks between 50 cents and $2.50, and it's showing us the result right here. It's 1,638 out of 1,638. So what we do with this information is we're going to come over here and hit the show action menu, and then we want to save all of these stocks, all 1,638 of them, and we want to save them to our watch list. Now, what's our watch list? We have to name our watch list first. So we're going to name it test, live test, number 5. It's my 5th time doing this. We're going to hit save. Okay, you're probably wondering, well, where the hell are they at? If nothing's showing up, then you want to come down here. You want to hit this little plus thing, and you want to go to watch list, and there it is. Now, say if we want to make another one between 50 cents and say $1, right? Hit that, hit scan. It's gonna say the same thing again. Hit yes, and now you can see that there's different results. There's 640 um, stocks available to view. So what we're gonna do with this one, we'll come over here, save watch list, and we're gonna name it again. So we're gonna do live test. Let's make sure we capitalize T. Test. Wow, again. Test 2. We want to save it. So let's say you had a previous watch list here, and you're trying to view this new list that you did, this new watch list. Then you want to come here, and you want to go to personal, and there it is, live test 2. And you could just go back and forth, whichever one you want to do, and scroll, and you can see there's all the stocks there that you scanned for. Now, one more thing you want to do is you want to go to the settings right here. You want to click on it. You want to add a customize, and you can see right here that symbol, last, net change, bid, and as, all in the same order right here. There's one thing missing, and that's the volume. It's very important if you're day trading, intraday trading, or just trading in period. I'm a person that likes to look at the volume. I believe if a stock has a lot of volume in it, then there's some institutional money behind it, which means that banks are buying, and if banks are buying, then hell yeah, right? I want to come down here. There's VWAP right there you can add, but we're looking for volume. Add. Now I want this to be my 3rd thing on the list over here. I want it to be 1, 2. I want volume to be right here. So we'll click on volume. We already clicked add. So now volume's here, and we're gonna move it up, and then we're gonna hit OK, and boom, there you go. Now from right here, you wanna spread them out a little bit, and that's the volume. Now if you wanna separate these from highest to lowest, lowest to high, then you pretty much can do that. I don't know why this is showing here. It's probably because it's 5:06 p.m. where I'm at, and the market is currently closed. So in order for you to view these charts, you're gonna have to click on charts. This is gonna stay right here, so you just click on charts. um, and yeah, if you want to add more than one chart, you come up here, as many charts as you want. Just don't add too many. We're gonna keep it at one just for this tutorial. um, Drop this down, and oh, I see why they're not switching. um, you see this number 1 red, 2 yellow, 3 blue. That's not blue, but you can pick any of these. Just make sure that any watch list you're working on, make sure that it's linked to the same number in order for them to link up and work. So you can see this is red. You can change it to any color. We could do yellow, and then we want to come here and then match it yellow. So now we're able to click, just hit enter on your keyboard, hit enter, and there you go. Now you see how you could do 200, 2,000 of these, and just go and buy them on a daily. You can see how many of these you can actually do. So when I say I could look at 2,000 stocks in under 5 minutes, it's very possible. So that's the way that you scan. That's the way that you find the gaps. Now from here, you want to look at the most. You want to look at the stocks that have the highest gaps and see how the gap is. If you feel like the gap is not good, then it's not time yet. What am I doing? All right. Sorry. This. It doesn't want to zoom in. Why is it not zooming in? Could it be no? Well, I was really trying to keep this under 5 minutes. Symbol. Oh wow, I did not see that. Wow. Anyways, you zoom in, and that's how you um, read the gaps. See how much it gapped up. If it gapped up too much, that could ruin the reward to risk. If it gaps just enough to support, resistance, all that. If you want to learn more about those, if you want to learn more about support or resistance, or what's a gap, levels of gap, level 1 gap, level 2 gap, level 3 gap, how to scan the pre-market, go visit carjb.com. There's some posts on there, some blogs where I discuss some of these things. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and have a nice day.